Hey guys, this is Santiago 9ish, and tonight, no, I guess today, since I uploaded, I'll upload it next morning, which is this morning, I guess, or today, the day after Christmas, probably. Anyways, guys, I will wait. I will solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay. Okay, so my hand's ready. The chair. So, ready? On your mark. Get set. And put your timer on for me. Ready? Set, go. I'm still gonna solve it. Don't actually time me because I'm not good at this. Not really to worry. You can time me. This is so cool. Okay. Learn. Watch. And learn. Put this up. Okay. I did that wrong, didn't I? Wait, no, I did not. Okay, so what are we looking at? sorry it's taking me so long, but at least I'm solving it. You know? Sometimes you just got to be able to do things without being timed. Not like, at least you do it, unlike other people. I'm not saying I'm like the fastest at this, but I'm still good. I'm good enough to do it. So I have like the corner and all. Keep it going. So the top, what I'm trying to do on the edges, that's actually going to be pretty easy. But do that. Right now I'm just like doing the algorithms because I'll memorize them and all. So, anyways. Solved. Bam. Like a boss. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching me solve this cube. It may not have been fast, but I did it. Like a boss. Bye.